What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if it got something to do with money, you know it got something to do with us, guys. We want to talk all about the Deion Sanders situation from a financial literacy standpoint, guys. You guys know, if you don't by now, I'm a former athlete, Division I athlete, played ball, played actually the same position as Deion Sanders, and he is one of my favorite players of all times. And so he's been in the headlines the past few days, guys, for his decision to leave Jackson State University for Colorado. And so that decision has sparked a lot of discussion, a lot of emotions, and he's been heavily criticized for that move. Today, guys, I want to hear your thoughts down in the comments below on if you have kept up with the saga. What are your thoughts? Okay, do you think he's a sellout? Do you like the move? Do you support what he's doing? Are you not a fan? Are you not even aware of what's going on? Let me know regardless where you fall on the spectrum, okay? But I want to unpack some of this, guys, from a standpoint that maybe will help you guys understand sometimes you got to do what's best for you and your family, okay? And we're going to dive into it. His new Colorado role will more than quadruple his most recent salary at JSU, totaling $29.5 million over 5 years before bonuses and incentives. Guys, look at that one more time. His new Colorado role will more than quadruple his most recent salary. To put it in perspective, as a head coach at JSU, Deion, guys, was getting $300,000 per year. And by most accounts, people on some ends of the spectrum say he was donating half of that back to the school to build up the program, help get a new field, help renovate the stadium, help renovate the locker rooms, and get water because they couldn't take showers because the water in Jackson was all messed up. A lot of different things is out there, guys, but what I want to focus on is the fact that he's under a lot of heavy criticism for leaving Jackson State University, for taking a new job, a new opportunity that has quadrupled his salary. Okay, now guys, if you were in that position, if you were in that situation, what would you do? Again, guys, let me know down in the comments below. A lot of times, guys, decisions are made that is in the best interest of what's going to be best for you and your family. And sometimes with the world that we live in today, guys, you got to just kind of come from that vantage point. All right. But nevertheless, guys, he had a huge stronghold, not only on the community in Jackson State, but on those kids and those players that he was like a father figure to, a coach to, a mentor to. He was so many things to so many people. And so I see both sides of the spectrum on where people could feel some kind of way. However, guys, you have to know that in life, we all have seasons. Okay, you are here to do things, and sometimes they happen in seasons. The season of his life, the last 3 years, I might add, was called for him to do what he did at Jackson State. Okay, now he has won. He has did everything he set out to do with little or no support from his current institution or now previous institution. But now it's time to move on. Okay, what is wrong with that? You guys let me know your thoughts again down in the comments below. What is wrong with that? See, upward mobility is very important on your journey to financial freedom. Sometimes, guys, people want to put a ceiling on your growth. They want to put a ceiling on your success. They want to try to cap what it is you are to do in life and say, no, you only can be successful if you're doing this. But I'm here to tell you guys, you can't let anybody try to box you in. You have to be open to the call that's on your life. If you get an opportunity to go on and continue to be a blessing in other people's lives, to continue to lead young men, but now you're getting quadruple the salary, now you're getting quadruple the resources to do even more. Guys, you know, we say it all the time. It's about having access to opportunity and resources. That's the same as it relates to investing. Those of us that have the means to invest more, we simply make more. I teach you guys options every day, for example, and sometimes you guys see me buy 200 contracts per play. The only difference between me and the next person win rate is the fact that my wins may be a little bigger because I have more resources to buy more contracts. But other than that, guys, it's the same. So what you want to do on your journey is make sure you understand, like, you know what? I have to make sure that I can continue to be successful. I can continue to level up. But more importantly, what I love about it, the move wasn't about him, so to speak. Yeah, he had to carry the mantle or whatever to open the doors, to get the sponsorships in. But what I love that he's always said from day one, his coaches were not getting paid their worth or their value. He got top tier NFL coaches, elite level coaches that's going to go down in the Hall of Fame, coaching on his little Jackson State school with no money, no resources, just doing it off the strength, doing it off the love, doing it for the bare minimum. He has always said from day one, I want to pay them their worth. I want to be able to allow them to take care of their families because of the commitment and the sacrifice they've made in helping me take this program to the next level and bring all this success and notoriety to this program. And so he's able to do that now with $29.5 million, okay? And so, again, I salute the deal. But what I want to hear from you guys is, what do you think, okay? Did he sell out? Would you be mad if you were a player? Would you be mad if you were a parent? Do you like what you have seen him do thus far, okay? Can you understand the move? And I'll say this, guys, and a lot of us that reach this level of success, we don't talk about the kind of things that go on behind the scenes. I can guarantee, for those of you that don't know, some of the things and some of the conditions he had to deal with at Jackson State, again, he didn't even speak to them. He addressed them to them, but I'm talking about he didn't make a public spectacle of it like he did with the success part of the journey, okay? And so, again, if you knew the full story, you would also be pleased with his decision to possibly move on for greener pastures, okay? So again, guys, always understand there's a lot that goes beyond the eye that a lot of times you guys don't even have a clue of that a person is dealing with or going through, okay? And so again, on this journey, guys, you have to do what's best for you. And that's really what this message comes down to today. That's really what I see this as. No, I'm not mad at Deion. Yes, I love what he did for that community, but now that chapter is closed and it's on to a new one. It's that simple, guys. This is life. This is business, okay? And that's how the game go. So again, guys, tap in down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you think that the outrage that has been thrown at him is warranted or not. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.